Game engines Unity, Unreal, Godot, GameMaker, and many more. A game engine has a lots of impact on your game development journey. Okay, let's come to the main point. What is the best game engine for you? So I give you three options. You should select one of it. Number 1. If you are a beginner and started game development like a week or a month before, you should go with Unity. It is because you would understand its user-friendly interface and learn it more quickly. I highly recommend watching and practicing the Brackeys how to make a video game series. Don't only practice it one time, do it again and again, and then you could start making your own game. I practiced it 10 times. Number 3. So you would be thinking, why I skipped the second? I didn't skip it, I would just talk it about later. Okay, so if you have made some cool games in Unity and want to make more quality games, so you should just take your next step. So if you ask me about the channels like Brackeys but for Unreal engines, so there are two channels. Number 1, Weirdest Learning Hub, and the second is Unreal's official channel. Number 2. This stage is the most difficult because you don't know what to do. So if you have followed many tutorials and haven't made your game by yourself, so what to do? So the best thing is to take risk. Yes, if you are afraid of making games by yourself, just make it. Believe on yourself and do it for your future. Because you're not going to watch tutorials when you are in the office. When your boss enters and asks you to code something, you're not going to watch tutorials. You're going to do it by yourself. So believe on yourself and take risk, because if you don't, you wouldn't succeed. So thank you for giving me this much time. And creator, let's hit 500 subscribers at iFace Review. So click the like button and goodbye.